All right, we just got this. This is a milk frother, 500 watts. It's super powerful. And if you guys like lattes, this is what you want to get. This is the info on it. And something happened there. I don't know. Anyway, let's open this thing up and check it out. All right, here we go. Let's see what's in here. Oh, wow. Bam. Check it out. It does come with some instructions and this little comb kind of thing. It's got a 2-year limited warranty, and this tells you how to use it. And let's get rid of that. All right, so it does have 2 pieces to it. Okay, so let's see if we can get it out of its plastic bag. All right, so this is basically how it works. You got to plug this side in, right? And then this is going to go on here. Now, take this off before you use it, okay? And then you just set it right in like that. Now, let me show you the interior of this. You see that? There's the coil that heats up the milk and froths it. And then this is your top that kind of smushes on. It's got like a silicone thing. And bam, that's it right there. And now all we got to do is froth up some milk. Yeah. So yeah, you can get this on Amazon. And I think it's going to be delicious. You know what I mean, jelly beans? It's perfect for heating up your milk. And you can see it's got, you know, this is a heavy duty. It's all stainless. It's nice. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and watch us heat up milk. Peace out.